How to enable super dark mode on iPhone. Now let's get started. Firstly, what you have to do is enable dark mode in your device. For that, head towards settings. Here we go. Now go to the option display and brightness, open it. Now check in for this option of dark mode. After you enable dark mode in your device, you can go back to the main page of settings. Now go to this option accessibility. Head towards the option display and text size. Scroll down. Over here you will find this option of reduce white mode. Toggle on for this option. After that you have to increase it. And with that you will see the change. Super dark mode has been enabled. Likewise you can head back. Scroll down. Go to the option accessibility shortcut. Check in for this option of reduce white mode. After you check in for this option reduce white mode, now you can use your power button to enable or disable super dark mode. You can triple click on the power button to disable it. Likewise, again you can triple click on the power button to enable it. This is how you can easily enable super dark mode on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.